Nigeria, the most populous black nation, having one of the world's highest economies, yet one of the countries in Africa where daily publications are widely read. About 67% of Nigerians get one information or the other from these dailies. Nigerian dailies, popularly known as newspapers, are a daily publication that help Nigerians get information about the happening within and outside the country.
The Nigerian Standard was founded in 1972, unlike most government-funded newspapers that have gone on the ground, since that 1972, we have managed to remain afloat in spite of the challenges that face especially newspaper industry. Why I think the Nigerian Standard, well, I believe the Nigerian Standard is living up to its mandate of educating, informing the general populace.
Some of these publications include the Vanguard, Blueprint, Standard, Tribune, People's Daily, and the Daily Sun. Others are the Leadership, National Mirror, Newswatch, Soccer Stars, Aláròyé, and The Road, to mention but a few. These organizations report their news based on their ideologies and propaganda, which is sometimes seen by the society as being biased.
I believe that established that very company. That's why sometimes you see an article or a headline, you read different stories about that same headline, all say the same thing but in different ways. They are not bare propaganda.
I don't buy Nigerian papers because what you see outside of the paper is not what you read inside. And I look at that as waste of time and waste of resources.
Subjects that we index them in the catalog, where we can easily access such information from the catalog for you. Then we have the display rack outside, where we have news extra, and then we have current awareness, where we display some current information that we have in the dailies.
From my analysis within the city of Jos, the Plateau State capital, it has been confirmed that the Nigerian newspaper is an educative, informative medium. Nash Bere, reporting for Media Village, Nigeria.